Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are doing the revision for our summative assessment 3, isn't it, children? So, in this, we have learned how to write the three equivalent fractions, how to simplify the fraction, simplest form, how to add the fractions, how to subtract the fractions. Yes, converting the mixed fractions into improper fractions into mixed fractions, story problems related to fraction, how to draw the clock for the given time, and also how to write the 12-hour format, 24-hour format of the time, isn't it, children? And also we have learned how to convert the hours to minutes and minutes to hours, isn't it? So today we are going to learn how to find the elapsed time when start time and end time is given, and also how to find the start time to find when elapsed time and end time is given, and how to find the end time when elapsed time and start time is given. That we will learn, and also we will learn how to add and subtract the time. Okay, tomorrow we will learn the last three bits. Okay, children. So let's see. So this is your equivalent fractions, simplifying the fractions, adding the fractions, subtracting the fractions, converting the fractions, story problems. Yes, drawing the clock faces, 12-hour for 24-hour formats, converting the hours to minutes and minutes to hours. Okay, now find the elapsed time. So here they have given the start time and end time also, where the start time is 10:45 and end time is 14:15. Okay, if you see, this is 24 hour. If you take 12 hour, then the start time is 10:45 a.m. and end time is 2:15 p.m. Okay, now we have to find the elapsed time. For that, try to draw a line, a straight line, and mention the timings from where to where you have to find, and in between what are the zero clocks, so that you can write the timeline. Okay, so 10:45 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 13, 13 to 14, and 14 to 14:15. Till 14:15 only the time is there. Now if you see, children, from 10:45 to 11, it is only 15 minutes. Okay, see, it is only 15 minutes. But from 11 to 12 it is 1 hour, that is 60 minutes, 1 hour. Again 12 to 13 also 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. 13 to 14 also 60 minutes, that is also 1 hour. Now 14 to 15 is 15 minutes, isn't it? Now add everything. 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour, 3 hours plus 15, 3 hours 15 minutes plus 15, 3 hours 30 minutes. So the elapsed time is 3 hours 30 minutes. Okay, children, in this way you need to find out the elapsed time when start time and end time are given. Now let's see the next bit, which is finding the start time or end time according to the given question. Okay, here they have given end time and elapsed time. That means you have to find the start time. So whenever you are finding the start time, you have to go backward. You have to read the clock backwards, time backwards, so that you can find the start time. Okay, so let's start. So here is the timeline. Let's write the end time, which is 13, that is afternoon, 1 p.m. 13. What is the elapsed time? 4 hours 15 minutes. That means you have to go back 4 hours 15 minutes to find the start time. So 13 to 12 is 1 hour. Yes. Now 12 to 11 is 1 hour again. Yes. Now 11 to before 10, that is also 1 hour. How many hours we finished? 1, 2, 3. But here there are 4 hours. One more hour we have to go back. So let's go back one more hour from 10 to 9. So 9. Now we have completed with hours. Now we have to go only 15 minutes back. 15 minutes back becomes 9. From 9 you have to go backwards 15 minutes. That becomes 8:45. Okay, 15 minutes. Now see, 4 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hours 15 minutes. The elapsed time we finished, and we reached the time at 8:45. So that start time is 8:45. Okay, children. So in this way, you need to find the start time when end time and elapsed time is given. Now, let's find out end time when elapsed time and start time is given. So the start time is 13:45. That is 1:45 p.m. in 12 hour. Elapsed time is 1 hour 45 minutes. That means from 13:45 you have to move forward. We have to find the end time. So whenever we are finding the end time, you need to move forward. Okay, if you are finding the start time, you have to move backwards. Okay, when you are finding the end time, you have to move to the forward. So let's draw. So timeline, the start time is 13:45. What is the elapsed time here? 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay, first let's do till 14. 13:45 to 14. How many minutes? 15 minutes we have finished. In 1 hour 45 minutes, we finished 15 minutes. How much is left out? 1 hour 30 minutes is left out now. Okay, from 14 to 15 if you take, then it becomes 1 hour. Okay, how much life left out? One in from 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour we already finished. Now how much is left out? 30 minutes. So 30 minutes we have to go forward. That is from 15 to 30 minutes means 15:30. Isn't it, children? So that becomes 1 hour 45 minutes. Isn't it? 1 hour 30 minutes plus 15 minutes become 45 minutes. 1 hour 45 minutes. So what is the end time? 15:30. That is 3:30 p.m. Okay. So end time equal to 15:30. Okay, children. So in this way, you need to find the elapsed time, start time and end time for the given information. Okay. Now let's see the next bit, which is add and subtracting the time. 1 hour 30 minutes plus 5 hours 45 minutes. Now children, for this you have to make the columns for hours and minutes. So let's make the columns hours and minutes. So what is the first time they have given? 1 hour 30 minutes. That means under H, which is hours, you will write 1. For minutes 30 you have to write. Now next you have 5 hours 45 minutes. So 5 will be under H, which is hours, 45 minutes under min, which is minutes. Okay. Now we need to add it. So always start from the minutes, children, which is 0 plus 5 becomes 5. 3 plus 4 becomes 7. And 1 plus 5 becomes 6. That is 6 hours 75 minutes. Okay. So the answer is 6 hours 75 minutes. Do we have 75 minutes, children? We have only till 60 minutes. Isn't it, children? So what we'll do is from this 6 hours 75 minutes, we will remove 60 minutes from here and add that 60 minutes as 1 hour in the hours. Okay. That becomes 60 plus 1 hour, 75 minus 60 minutes. So this 60 minutes, what we are subtracting in the minutes, we are adding in the hours as 1 hour. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour, isn't it? That we are adding there. So the answer will be 7 hours 15 minutes. Okay, children. So in this way, you need to do the addition of time. Okay. Next, coming to the subtraction of time. 4 hours 15 minutes minus 2 hours 30 minutes. Now, if you see, children, while doing subtraction, first you need to check whether we can subtract it or not. So 4 hours, 2 hours. That means from 4 hours, you have to remove 2 hours. That we can do easily. But 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Can we remove 30 minutes from 15 minutes? We can't do, isn't it? So that's why what we do is we remove 1 hour from here. From 4 hours, you will remove 1 hour. That becomes 3 hours. And that 1 hour we convert into minutes, which is 60 minutes, and add it in the minutes. 60 minutes plus 15 minutes. 60 that we got from the hours, and this 15 minutes you will add and make the time. Okay, so 4 hours 15 minutes, I am removing 1 hour from the hours, and that 1 hour is added in the minutes in the form of 60 minutes. Okay, that becomes 3 hours 75 minutes. Now if you see children, can we remove 30 minutes from the 75 minutes? Yes, we can do, isn't it? 30 is less number, 75 is more number. So 30 we can remove from 75. So now we will make the columns as hours and minutes. Okay, so here this 4 hours 15 minutes we have made into 3 hours 75 minutes. So you have to copy this 3 hours 75 minutes here. So 3 will be under H and 75 will be under minutes. H is nothing but hours, children. Okay, now what is the second number? What is the second time they have given? 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so 2 will be under H, 30 minutes will be under minutes. Okay, now let's do the subtraction. So 5 minus 0, 5 minus 0 becomes 5. 7 minus 3, here 7 minus 3 becomes 4. Now 3 minus 2 become 1. That is 1 hour 45 minutes. So that's what you will write, 1 hour 45 minutes. That means 4 hours 15 minutes minus 2 hours 30 minutes is equal to 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay children. So in this way you need to do the subtraction of time. Okay. So practice these sums children. Get the sums from your content book, classwork, volume book, skill sheet. Practice more. Okay. So in the next class we will learn the next bits children. See you in the next class. Bye.